Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have got a Walmart IBOTTA haul for you guys that I have literally been trying to record for 3 days. I mean, really. So let's jump into this haul, guys. The first item I decided to get was the Pepsi Minis, and I was really excited about these because I like Pepsi, okay? Normally, I don't max out a rebate, but I did do it this time. These were priced $2.74 each. There's no coupons, but you're going to get back $2 from IBOTTA if you have the $2 rebate, making the final cost only 74 cents. I actually got 3 packs, which I wanted to max it all the way out. So that was $8.22 is what I had to pay in store. I got back $6 from IBOTTA, making the final cost $2.22 or 74 cents a 6-pack. I think that's a good deal. I like to keep these in my refrigerator sometimes, you know, just when I want to have a soda. To me, it's much better for me to drink the smaller size than it is for me to drink a whole, you know, regular size can of Pepsi. Next rebate, guys, I got was the Lola Vaginal Cleansing Wash, priced $6.98 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, but I had to pay $6.98 in store and got back $5 from IBOTTA, making the final cost $1.98. And I actually did this in 2 separate times. I did it the other day. It reset. I went and did it again. Yeah, so I'll let you know how I like it. The next rebate I had to do was my Welch's Juice. Now, I did get the mango twist. The mango twist was priced $2. There is a IBOTTA rebate for 50 cents, and then there is $2.06 coming back from Shopkick, making the final cost free and a 56-cent money maker. And the next rebate I decided to do was my Always Z's. My Always Z's were priced $3.97. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in store. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate this time, making the final cost $1.97 for the menstrual underwear. I love these things, guys. I'm just gonna tell you, I love them. And I'm gonna tell you another one that I like. I like the Poise. Those Poise undergarments that we got, guys, that was the money maker. I tried those out. I like those too. All right. Next rebate, guys, was on the Success Boil in Bag rice. This time I got the white rice. This was priced $2.28. No coupon, so I paid $2.28 in store. I had a 50 cents IBOTTA rebate, making the final cost $1.78 for the boil in bag rice. I don't think that's too bad. Food items, love to get food items. The next rebate I got was the ranch seasoning pack. I was mad I couldn't get the Hidden Valley in the bottle because it was all the way at the back of the shelf, and I just didn't feel like going to get anybody to ask them to get it for me. So I just got the seasoning pack. So it was priced $1.74. No coupons. I paid $1.74 in store. There's $1 coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost 74 cents. I think this is a good, cheap little rebate. Next rebate I did do was on the Renews It scent cones, guys. Now, the Renews It scent cones were priced 97 cents in my Walmart. I had to buy 2 for a total of $1.94. There is a coupon. I think it's a buy 2 get 1 free coupon, but unfortunately I did not bring it in the store with me, guys. So if you guys have that, make sure that you combine that in the deal. All right. I had to pay $1.94 in store. I got back 97 cents from IBOTTA. Final cost 97 cents for my Renews It. I love these little things. I stick them everywhere. Next rebate, guys, was on the Welch's Concord Grape Jelly. My husband is eating peanut butter and jelly every day. Okay, so we going through peanut butter and jelly in this house. That's his afternoon snack. So these were a little more than the last ones I got. These were actually $1.93 each. Had to buy 2 for a total of $3.86. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.86 in store. There is $1 coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost $2.86. You must purchase 2 for this rebate. Now, the next thing I decided to get was my Suave lotion. Now, this is actually a Shopkick deal, but I think it's a good deal because I need to work on building up my Shopkick money, okay? The lotion is priced $1.83. I actually printed a $1 coupon off of coupons.com making my cost in store be only 83 cents. There is 48 cents coming back from Shopkick for scanning in store and uploading the receipt, making the final cost 35 cents for the Suave lotion. Not too bad. I just need some Shopkick money, okay? I got plenty of lotion, but I need some Shopkick money. Next to rebate, guys, was the Suave women's deodorant, okay? Here again, I need some Shopkick money, so I'm trying to do that cheap stuff. The Suave deodorant was $1.87. No coupon, so I paid $1.87 in store. There's a 25-cent rebate coming back from IBOTTA and 48 cents from Shopkick for scanning in store and uploading your receipt, making the final cost $1.14 for the Suave deodorant. And the next rebate I had to get from Mr. Richard for my husband was the Nature Made fish oil vitamin supplements, okay? Now, the rebate is for Nature Made supplements, but he wanted the fish oil. It was priced $7.94. I did not have a coupon, unfortunately, so I had to pay $7.94 in store. There is a $1.25 rebate from IBOTTA, making the final cost $6.69. I was going to buy this anyway, so I'm glad I did get $1.25 back from IBOTTA. Next rebate, guys, was the Farm to Family ground turkey. Okay, this was priced $4.27. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.27 in store. $1.25 coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $3.02. Yeah, I don't think that's too bad. Now, my husband has not incorporated ground turkey back into his diet, so I guess I'll just be eating that. But what the heck, it's meat and it's food, and I got a rebate. Seems like a win to me. Well, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I finally got it uploaded. Ridiculous, okay? I've been busy all week, guys. Still chipping away at that $10 bonus. Lord have mercy. This is the longest I think it has ever taken Coupon and Crystal to complete a $10 bonus. I mean, really. But I just refuse to spend a bunch of money out of pocket. So I'm doing these little mini hauls and then combining it to a bigger haul and giving y'all a video. I ain't playing, okay? I forgot. And also, I hope you guys checked out my Frugal Tip Tuesday. If you haven't seen that video, I will make sure that I link it above, guys. Go check it out. Where every Tuesday we're doing a frugal tip that Coupon and Crystal actually has done and incorporates in her everyday life, okay? That's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.